E minor to B7 with just 3 strings. So the E minor here is just those 3 strings, first 3 strings, and the B7 is the second finger on the second fret of the third string and the third finger on the second fret of the first string, and an open string in between, which is the B string. Mō tātou te taiao, ko te ata whai. Mō tātou te taiao, ko te oranga. It is given to us to care for the world, for it gives us our wellness in return.